And magandang tanghali po sa inyo. Sir Adley, kamusta po ang inyong kooperasyon since this is a professional league with the Games and Amusements Board? At isama ko na rin, may mga balak ba kayo magkaroon ng TV coverage o live streaming coverage para maging accessible sa ating mga billiards fans natin?
Right now, we are in talks with a big broadcast partner. But as of now, since talks pa lang siya, I cannot really divulge yet yung information. Pero of course, mapapalabas tayo sa TV as well as online and sa social media. We would want to get as much reach as possible kasi gusto namin mapanood ito ng lahat ng Pilipino sa kahit anong sulok ng Pilipinas, sa lahat ng sulok ng Pilipinas. Gusto namin mapanood yung SBA.
How about sa GAB pala? Yung partnership nyo with GAB?
With GAB, we are also in talks with GAB. They are helping us to regulate the sport more stringently, and eventually, magkakaroon tayo ng rules and regulations how to become a pro player. Similar with basketball.
Okay, lastly kay Sir Ron and kay Sir Chino, paano natin masusustain ang pagkakaroon ng Pro Billiards League para makahanap ng susunod na standout sa pro ranks kung billiards sa pag-uusapan, like yung mga susunod na Amam Parica, Efren Bata Reyes, Django Bustamante, Carlo Biado, and the rest. Salamat po.
Again, like what Boss Hadley and Boss Chino said, yun ho, no? Aside from yung season namin sa SBA, during off-season, meron mo kaming road shows, open tournaments na igaganap all over the Philippines, all over the country, hopefully ho. From there, makadiscover kami ng talents, no? That's really the idea. Tapos, in line with that lang ho, yung question kanina, si SBA ho will serve as a career path. Kumbaga ito yung aasintahin ng mga younger generations, not just in the Philippines. Hopefully, globally din yung mga batang bilyarista globally. There is an uprising ho ulit ngayon ng bilyar, and we hope to play a positive part of that uprising. So, yun po.
Thank you very much. Okay, parting words. And why Sharks? Bakit yung Sharks Billiards Association? Ano ba yung Sharks? Yes, Hadley.
Sharks is a billiard term which means parang hustler or yung pool shark kung tawagin. Ito yung mga nagtatagong players pero ang totoo magagaling sila. So, kaya Sharks Billiard Association.
Invite mo. For this day.
I would like to invite everyone to watch at tabayanan nyo ang Sharks page namin for more announcements and support us. Please like and follow our page. Also, abangan nyo yung draft pick namin and yung announcement ng teams. Baka in the following week, we will announce it na. So, please follow our page.
Okay, thank you. And SBA, Chino Trinidad, please.
Doon, nakita ko na yung age gap. Follow our page na di ba? Magbubukas ka lang naman ng dyaryo, alam mo na magaganap, di ba? Ngayon, may online version, meron na printed version. Ngayon, follow us on Facebook, subscribe na YouTube, di ba? Parang, wow, matanda na nga ako. Pero, that doesn't mean hindi ko alam yung Facebook, YouTube. Ako, isa lang pakiusap ko sa mga Pilipinong nagmamahal sa sport ng billiards. Itong sport na to has brought us and continues to bring us national pride. Irespeto natin, ibalik natin sa punto na titingalain yung Pilipino kasi, oo, magaling siya, matibay siya. Best of all, he represents the best in us Filipinos. Yung tipong tagilid ang laban, hindi susuko. Alam mong merong ibubuga. Okay? Alam mo na may ipinaglalaban. Yun yung mga positives ng billiards na mailalabas ng billiards para ma-highlight ang naturalesa ng mga Pilipino sa laro ito. Salamat.
Isang malaking saludo po para sa inyo. Pagbigay ng opportunity sa ating mga kababayan, especially ating mga young billiards players. Naisipin, pag sinabing billiard, Pilipino yan. Magandang umaga po. This is your PSA Sports Forum. Okay.
Thank you.
Photo.